Crown 4's Valerie St. John is live in San Francisco tonight at CNET, home to some of the latest cuts. Valerie.
That's right, Pam. Some of the folks here at CNET tell us that they are very nervous about an impending 15% job cut. Nobody knows yet who will be out of a job come September when those cuts take place. It's the kind of talk that has become commonplace in workplace hallways all throughout the Bay Area as companies report losses and some go up in smoke, taking thousands of livelihoods with them.
Okay. Go ahead and take a look at everything that you want to bid on. Make sure you do good inspection.
There is an auction inspection in progress here at this warehouse off Brannan Street. The room is filled with laptops and modems, monitors and big screen TVs, Palm Pilots so new they're still in their boxes. Most of what's here belonged to the .com Quokka Sports Network. Just months ago, the company was doing well enough to make these purchases, thinking they might need, say, a large collection of these $700 chairs. But as we've heard so often, it's become cliche. The money stopped flowing. Employees were laid off. The company closed its doors, and now everything is up for auction.
It's very current equipment, still in huge demand.
Bad times for .comers, great time for the auction industry. The Cowan Alexander Equipment Group, which is running the show here, has helped liquidate about 160 .coms in the last 14 months alone. The liquidation business, it seems, is booming.
And people are getting bargains.
And a growing number of people could really use a bargain about now. In the last couple of days, Lucent announced it would be cutting around 20,000 jobs. Siemens, 8,000 job cuts. Former telecom exec Richard Palmer was laid off from Nortel last March. He is still without work, and he is getting nervous.
You know, Nortel's announced 30,000 and Cisco announced 8,600, and those are all people with, you know, related skill sets looking for a shrinking job pool. So it's very unnerving.
Facing a shrinking job pool, the competition is getting stiffer. So to make themselves more competitive, some are heading back to school. Di Schwartz, former director of strategic alliances for LoanCity.com, was laid off in January. So she's spending some of her time in the classroom, becoming better qualified than ever before.